Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and I have found the perfect size handbag out of all the handbags that I own. Ladies, you know how it is when you have a bag that's too small and you can't fit as many things as you need in it, or you have one that's too large and it's like you have everything and the kitchen sink. This one is the perfect size. This is from Lederbuck, and I got the Terry style, which is a crossbody or over the shoulder handbag. It comes with a really long strap so that you can accommodate whatever the look is that you're going for. I got the color cognac, and I would say this is like a true brown color. This bag has so many zippered pockets, and I love that because that means I can put as much stuff in here. I can hang it upside down, whip it around, and nothing is going to fall out. This is really well crafted. The seams are very tight and well stitched, and I love that it is fully lined. That really just ups the quality of the bag. These are handmade with really soft leather. It just feels very good and very luxurious. I like that the bottom does have a box design to it. So although it is a thinner bag, it's about 2 inches wide, it can still stand upright when I place it on the ground. And I really like the little corners in the front with the brads. I think it's super cute. This is such a gorgeous bag. And like I said about the size, it is just perfect. And that's my point of view.